Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a folder inside of SharePoint. Now, it is very important to notice that the folder feature has actually been removed from SharePoint, and now you're only able to create what's called a document library, which is basically exactly the same thing. Okay? So once we are inside of our site homepage, what we need to do is we need to click on new, and we need to click on document library here. Now let's click on blank library, and let's add just some kind of name here, which is going to be test folder, and a description, testing folders. Okay, now I usually keep this check. Now let's click on create. Now, once we have that folder here, this document library, we can start to add any folders, any document that we would like. Okay, it can be books, it can be just documents, can be payrolls, can be whatever we like, images. So we just have to go to upload, and we can either upload different files, different folders, or different templates. For example, let's upload an image. Let's go into our images. Let's upload, I don't know, some kind of whatever. Okay, so what I did was to upload an image here, which I can view, for example, inside of the viewer, and I can share it, I can edit it. It's up to me completely. I can also click on the new button here to create a new document. It can be a new folder, it can be, a Word document, an Excel document, whatever. It's up to you completely. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.